Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel, and today we will learn about a new topic, that is CAD application. So before we move further, we have to know first the history of CAD, that is computer aided design. And first the computer were developed in the 1950s. Okay, shortly after the transistor was invented. Okay, ट्रांजिस्टर इन्वेंट होने से पहले ये कंप्यूटर इन्वेंट हुआ था in the 1950s. Okay, and in the midst of 1960s, General Motors and Boeing and IBM, okay, and IBM began developing CAD program. But the development was slow. जो development है वो slow था by the high cost of computer hardware. Okay, इसलिए मतलब थोड़ा like it was like under a slow process because जो computer का hardware है programming है वो थोड़ा costly था. And in 1971, Ted Hoft developed the first microprocessor, and all circuitry of the central processing unit, that is CPU, was now on one chip. This started the era of personal computer, okay, the PC. Now we come to 1980s. So in the 1980s, additional improvement to the microprocessor changed the mainframe computers to powerful desktop model. Okay, at first it was like this, like you can see in this picture. Okay, but later it come to existence in the form of desktop models. Okay, and of course the computer software was advancing along with the computer hardware. So जैसे जैसे मतलब there was changes, and then as time goes by, okay, so the computer also it became more and more advanced. Okay, और advance होता गया और advance होता गया the computer hardware. And then there again computer aided design came into existence. Okay, and CAD it started as a simple drafting tool. कंप्यूटर में जो CAD था it start as what, as a simple drafting tool and has evolved into a powerful design tool. okay, फिर बाद में वो एक बहुत मतलब अच्छा और powerful tool design बना. okay, and then CAD it has the progress from 2-dimensional, that is 2D, to 3-dimensional. Okay, to surface modeling and to solid modeling with what? With animation. Okay, with animation. And each generation has become more powerful and more user friendly. Okay, so as time goes, जैसे जैसे like दिन बदलता गया एंड जैसे जैसे मतलब नया जनरेशन आने लगा, तो वैसे वैसे जो ये कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन भी है वो मोर एडवांस हुआ, ज़्यादा एडवांस हुआ. ओके, और ये मतलब उसके फुल फॉर्म से ही आपको पता चलेगा कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन. सो इट्स फॉर लाइक मेन पर्पसेस फॉर द डिज़ाइन. okay, that is true, the like the tools and all, okay, in the computer. Okay, so this was related to the history. Now we'll come to its meaning. So CAD, computer aided design, it is a simple like simply design, okay, simply design and drafting with the aid of computer or with the help of computer. And design is creating a real product from an idea. Obviously first you will have an idea that how you're gonna make, then you create it in computer. Okay, in computer. And then the drafting is the production of the drawing that are used to document a design. And then computer aided design is the use of computer technology. Okay, जो computer technology है उसका use करके आप design बनाते हो. Okay, design of objects, real or virtual. Okay, And then this one, computer aided design is an important industrial art extensively used in what? In industry, in landscape, okay, in landscape architecture designing, and many more. Okay, so for landscape design कि तो ये ज़्यादातर कहाँ यूज़ होता है, like in industry, या फिर when you are creating, when you are building, and then and landscape architecture. Okay, architecture design, like if you are planning suppose जैसे कि garden hospital के site में, या फिर if you are planning a park, okay, तो उसका मतलब डिज़ाइन कैसे करना है, या फिर if you are planning landscape in the college, okay, so उसका डिज़ाइन कैसा होना चाहिए, वो सब आप कर सकते हो कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन में. ओके, कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन के द्वारा, वो भी 2D और 3D, okay, in a 2-dimensional or a 3-dimensional. Okay, and then so this is one important things. And then for landscape design, the computer aided design represent a practical solution for the imperative need. And then computer aided design can be used to create what? It can be used to create 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional computer models. Okay. And a computer aided design drawing is a file. Okay, it's a file that consists of numeric data. ये मतलब जो CAD ड्राइंग है, ये एक फाइल भी है. इट्स अ फाइल जो कंसिस्ट करता है क्या? न्यूमेरिक डाटा. इन व्हाट? इन अ बाइनरी फॉर्म. in a binary form that will be saved onto a disk. Okay, so ये न्यूमेरिक डाटा मतलब बाइनरी फॉर्म में, और वो मतलब सेव हो जाता है डिस्क पे. ओके, सो ये है मतलब मीनिंग एंड ऑल अबाउट computer aided design. Now we'll come to the next slide. So what is the question in this slide I have put? Why should we use CAD? Okay, why should we use computer aided design? So traditional drafting is repetitious and can be inaccurate. Okay, so it may be faster to create a simple rough sketch by hand, but larger, more complex drawing with repetitive operation required to be drawn more effectively using CAD. So yeah, you can use just a rough sketch in the paper also, and you can just draw there, but it will be better if you just do in this one, in this computer aided design. Okay, and that same it can be used जो आपने already design किया है. तो if next time if you want to design for another place, okay, suppose इस बार आपने ये डिज़ाइन किया है पार्क के लिए, so अगली बार आप ये डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो मतलब मतलब कहीं और पे जो दूसरी जगह पे अगर वहाँ पर भी मतलब पार्क का ही डिज़ाइन होगा, तो उसमें बस कुछ चेंजेस ला सकते हैं आप. So that is one important this one advantages for using CAD, okay, computer aided design. So and it is also yeah, it can be fast in like drawing roughly on a paper, but it is not that what I'll say slow also if you do it in the computer also. So you can do this. Okay, that's why we should use computer aided design. So now we'll talk about the benefit of CAD, that is computer aided design, in the present scenario. So here with the help of with the help of a computer, we can like do different design for like in different area. Okay, especially related to our subject. Our subject is landscaping. So it can be very what I'll say good. Okay, it will be very good and essential for making beautiful gardens. Okay, so with increasing professionalism of ornamental horticulture and the prominent role of national organization, computer technology has found its way into the green industry. Okay, even in like maybe people used to think that maybe computer is not that essential in horticulture background, where actually in horticulture background computer is also important, especially when you're doing this one, when you're doing design. Okay, so as the number of computer program for floriculture has increased, the acceptance of the program has also increased. Like at present horticulture it rely on computers for many uses. Okay, बहुत सारे uses हैं like horticulture में, and then like greenhouse environmental control, soil and media mixing, labeling of plants, landscape, specification, preparation, and then cost estimation. Okay, जो cost estimation है, या फिर quantification of material for building a landscape, landscape plan selection, irrigation system design and graphics, and then landscape design graphic, technical calculation. Okay, technical calculations such as cut and fill. So there are so many important criteria, so many important points that that's why you need to use computer aided design. So for this one, like it's actually not only used in the architecture of landscape design, okay, but it's even used in making the industry or buildings, okay, in like engineering field. So it can be used there also. And then with the help of modern computer aided design software, तो जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर है, ओके, इसके हेल्प से जो मॉडर्न computer aided design software है, तो the project manager can produce better and efficient design with what? With less time and high degree of accuracy. Okay, so it can be very, very helpful for the project manager to produce a better and effective and efficient design, okay, using less time. ज़्यादा time ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, so and then computer aided design and drafting services plays crucial role in various engineering sector. Like I said, not only in designing a landscape garden or designing like parks or landscape in the school or colleges, okay, but it also play a very, very good role in various engineering sector such as architectural design, structural design, building design, electrical, and even mechanical design, okay, and product design of any kind. And so in various field, okay, बहुत सारा मतलब field में use कर सकते हो आप इस computer aided design को. And then like even the structural design, building design, okay, and then architectural design, electrical, and even mechanical design. So, and yeah, CAD drafting service, it focus on converting hand drawn sketches. Like I have given you example before also, जो हमारा जो style of gardening है, जो हम लोगों ने पहले क्लास में डिस्कस किए थे. सो उसमें क्या होता है, जो पहली चीज़ जो आप करते हो वो है प्लानिंग करते हो. तो जब प्लानिंग करते हो, सो मोस्ट लाइक मोर व्हाट आई से कॉमन है कि आप पेपर पे ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, यू विल प्लान और यू विल ड्रॉ इन अ पेपर. सो हियर जो आप मतलब पेपर में रफली ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, उसको आप कन्वर्ट करोगे, उस स्केच को कन्वर्ट करोगे इसमें मतलब कंप्यूटर में. ओके, कन्वर्टिंग हैंड ड्रॉन स्केचेस एंड ब्लूप्रिंट इनटू अ कंप्लीट एडिटेबल डिजिटल डिज़ाइन. ओके, डिजिटल design, you can just call it digital design because now you are converting it. जो आपका hand drawn sketch है उसको आप convert कर रहे हो कंप्यूटर में. डिजिटल डिज़ाइन. नाउ यू कैन एडिट ऑल्सो, आप उसको एडिट भी कर सकते हो, राइट. यू कैन एडिट, यू कैन पेंट, यू कैन लाइक put changes also in it. Okay, so this allowed easy customization and revision of design to suit the requirement of architect, interior designer, or structural engineer. Yeah, so it can help, okay, in many ways. okay, to customize and revise, okay, of a design to suit what the requirement of architecture, interior designers, or structural engineers. So these are some of the benefits of computer aided design in the present scenario. Now let's talk about the major advantages of computer aided design. So some of the major advantages of computer aided design are, that is, drawing errors can be corrected easily. जो drawing error है, okay, like if you're making any error or mistake, वो आप correct कर सकते हो easily, okay? And it can be easily erase, वो easily erase हो सकता है, you can easily erase it और change कर सकते हो, okay? You can easily erase. And so firstly, drawing errors can be corrected easily, and it can be erased and changed. And drawing can be sent and receive also. वो सेंड भी हो सकता है जो आपने ऑलरेडी मतलब डिज़ाइन बना चुके हो, okay, by using computer aided design. You have already designed, you have already drawn. Now you can send it also, and you can even receive it, okay. मतलब अगर कोई आपको भेजना चाहेगा तो वो आप रिसीव भी कर सकते हो, okay. कैसे, मतलब it can be very, like you can send it quickly, like through what, through mail, okay. मेल के द्वारा आप इसको सेंड कर सकते हो. और यही नहीं, लाइक आप जो डिज़ाइन बना चुके हो उसको जूम भी कर सकते हो. यू कैन जूम इट फॉर मोर डिटेल सेक्शन, लाइक यू कैन जूम इट एंड यू कैन लाइक टू ऐड मोर डिटेल या फिर कुछ चेंजेस करना है. एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन इवन हैव अ जूम ऑप्शन, उसमें जूम ऑप्शन भी है तो आप जूम भी कर सकते हो. और इसको कॉपी पेस्ट भी कर सकते हो. इट कैन बी कॉपी एंड पेस्टेड मैनी टाइम्स, ओके, मैनी टाइम्स यू कैन कॉपी एंड पेस्ट. And then it can easily mass produce identical product and reduce design time scale, okay. It reduces the design time scale, and you can again reuse the design. Like I said, suppose अगर इस बार आपको मतलब एक पार्क एक जगह के पार्क के लिए डिज़ाइन करना है, so you can design. आफ्टर दैट अगर आपको दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट मिलता है कि मतलब किसी दूसरी जगह में, ओके, पार्क डिज़ाइन करना है, तो उसको उसी सेम जो आपने ऑलरेडी किए थे लाइक प्रीवियस पार्क के लिए, तो वो सेम डिज़ाइन यूज़ कर सकते हो, लेकिन उसमें बस कुछ चेंजेस डालो. लाइक यू कैन जस्ट पुट सम चेंजेस, यू कैन रीयूज द डिज़ाइन, ओके. So and then depending on the skills, it can be neater and then can be stored in a safe place. इसको store कर सकते हो, okay. And it can be checked for measurement by the computer, okay. It can be checked for like measurement by the computer. measurement check कर सकते हो computer के द्वारा. And you can work thoroughly, like you can work throughout the night, okay. ये जो because there are some software, okay, कोई software है, like if you use it like for so long, then it won't be मतलब that much recommended. ज़्यादा recommend नहीं करते कि ज़्यादा देर आप उस सॉफ्टवेयर पे काम करो ऐसे. बट जो ये सॉफ्टवेयर है CAD का, कंप्यूटर एडेड डिज़ाइन का, वो आप पूरी रात मतलब you can use it. It's like can produce product 24 hours a day, okay. 24 hours a day वो मतलब प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है डिज़ाइन को. लाइक you can produce, you can create, okay, design in like 24 hours, okay. So and then even like more stylish complex product can be designed using what, 3D surfacing यूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर आपको और ये स्टाइलिश और कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो आप 3D surfacing यूज़ कर सकते हो, 3-dimensional surfacing. And parametric modeling allows many design iteration to be generated and evaluated quickly, okay. इसमें parametric modeling भी मतलब allowed होता है. इसमें parametric modeling allows many design iteration, it allowed many design, okay. Always remember this, parametric modeling allowed करता है बहुत सारे design को, okay, to be generated and evaluate quickly, and design can be analyzed and optimized visually, okay, using finite element analysis. okay, इसमें जो आपका CAD है you can use this one, इसमें finite element analysis होता है. so जो design है आप analyze कर सकते हो और optimize कर सकते हो visually इसको use करके finite element analysis. okay, and lastly is that जो ये है clearance or interference check can be made easily. okay, clearance interference check can be made easily. Three-dimensional computer aided design data can be imported directly, okay, into CAM software, further reducing time scale, reduce करता है time scale को, और and mistake, okay, reduce time scale and mistake from interpretation of two-dimensional drawing. okay, so these are some of the major advantages of computer aided design. Now we'll come to the